we still always have about a 5 to 10 mile an hour little breeze here. In the afternoon, it picks up above 10 miles an hour, so the video is too shaky to really have a good stable image, so decided to get it up today. On the distance there, that's actually a little park area, that hill. There's some good climbing and walking around the mountain there, and you can kind of tell the Palo Alto Bridge a little bit. It's called the Dunbarton Bridge. It leads from Newark to Palo Alto, and on the other side of that bridge is pretty much where Facebook World Headquarters is located. Now we're looking pretty much west, and over those mountains is the ocean, Pacific Ocean, kind of the Pacifica area, and then as you go down, Santa Cruz. A couple little still shots there. You can kind of see my house. It's kind of hard to explain which one it is and without actually being here, but I'm pretty much standing right below in that grassy area. Now we're looking south. That's going to be down towards the San Jose area. Kind of South Bay. The sun kind of makes the bay, because it's murky, a little bit pinkish, I guess, or in this shot, looks like white sand, but it's not that spectacular when you drive over it. It's kind of brown. It's almost like the Mississippi River. There's some industrial complexes there across our house, like FedEx, some engineering facilities. And that's Mount Hamilton, actually, that you're looking at. That's where we were yesterday. There's some radar, weather radar, and some telescopes up there. But the road is extremely curvy, so if you get seasick, you will get car sick on those roads. It's almost too curvy. But once you get up there, the view is spectacular. Again, this is only a $150 drone, so this is not professional, but it is 1080p, so I intend to invest in probably a DJI a little bit here down the road once I get really good with this, mastering this. We're just kind of taking a spin around as we descend. And again, that was only about 150, 160 feet. I think the maximum range is about 300, but again, I'm a little bit scared to go maximum. Besides, the video would just cut out, so. But I hope you enjoyed my narration, and hope you have a good Father's Day.